Okay, I've just got the silicon to do. Oh, I've still got to do that bit of architrave yet, but just the silicon to do, and then I'll fit the vanity. And yep, here we go, the old silicon. You can't beat a nice light grey grout and a nice light grey silicon with this colour tile. Absolute beautiful. See, a lot of people are so scared of silicon. Oh, I don't know why they stuff it up like they do. But with soapy water, you can do anything with it. I haven't siliconed that because you need to be able to take that out for cleaning. I need to just put a little bit more, so you start there and go back. Give it a bit of a spray. And we're good to go. Good to go, Joe. I'll show you this next. I was going to put this in, but the pipes are too far over. So when Reese, that bucket's knackered. Got a split in it. When Reese comes to fit off, the plumber comes to fit off, he can move these pipes over. What a bummer. The pipes come out. I'll show you after. I'll just do a bit more silicone here. I've got to keep an eye on the time because I've got to go and get my stitches, my clips, the clips out of my head from when I arsed over and banged me noggin. I've got to go and get the clips out this afternoon. So I better not get too busy and forget the time. See, if you have little holes like that, I just patch them up. It's nothing to be afraid of. A tip to remember, DIYers, see I've stopped there, don't spray past it. Stay away from the end of your silicone 50mm or so. And you'll be home and hosed. If you spray past your point of, you'll stuff it up. It won't stick. So it's a no-no. There's a little gap there. I'll come back to that in a sec. Don't sweep your water to where you haven't siliconed either. That's sort of what I was trying to say before. You'll be in trouble. And you know, if the worst happened and you absolutely stuffed your silicone, don't worry about it. Just cut it out. Start again. No biggie. Nice one. That old saying again, people, only do for people what you'd have yourself. And that saying, if you remember that, you'll never be out of work. And whatever you do, if you're a tradesman. Do a good job, sweep up after you, you'll be like a breath of fresh air.